Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a brainbox. Now, how you use a brainbox, there is so much kinds. You can get them up to 8 plus as well. So I've got a 6 plus and I've got a 7 plus over there. So I'm going to be showing you how to use this one, then that one. So all you want to look out for is these bits up here. And it says pull here. So you would pull it there and you would find it. Now, it should be set up. You should find the instruction card here. So it says for 1 player, for 2 players or more. So once you've read that, that's the rule card. So once you should find the timer. That's a 10-second timer. If it's for little ones, you can put it around 2 times. And this is a dice. Once you've got these, you want to begin your game. So I'm only here, so I'm going to do it a 1 player. So we get it. We get the first card. So Once Upon a Time, Beauty and the Beast. So it tell you a really short summary about the story if you've got Once Upon a Time. But other ones it's not like that. So, Beauty and the Beast. Beauty was led to a castle where the Beast is surprisingly kind. That's a wee summary what Beauty happened to be with the Beast. Now, you might be wondering what these questions are at the back. You would have the timer. You would have it. You would put it down like that. And the person who's reading the card would study it until the timer stops. So, now the timer stopped, I'm going to put it another time. So I would look, summary, the Beast is wearing a blue jacket, the princess is wearing a pink gown, and yeah, the castle's at the back and all that. So once you've got your timer and it's all done, you want to get your dice. You want to roll your dice, and I've got 1, yeah? Whatever number it lands, you want to go in the back and see which one. So I've got number 1. What colour is Beauty's dress? Pink. If you don't answer it correctly, you need to put it at the back of the pile. If you do answer it, you need to keep it. So, I'm going to do 2 more, and then I'm going to go my next one. So, I've got one, Robin Hood this. I've got Robin Hood. Robin Hood. I haven't heard Robin Hood before, actually. Robin Hood has merry man take from the rich to give to the poor. So, like, he's going to take rich man and give it to the poor. So once again, I would study it for 10 seconds, 20 seconds. The study, Robin's wearing green jacket, blah blah. He's in a forest, the trees are not fully showing. You want to turn it again. You want to study it. And when the timer is done, mine's nearly done. Okay, you would turn it, roll the dice. Number 5 I got this time. Number 5. What colour is the feather on Robin's hat? Is it red? Let's see. Yes, it's red. I would keep the cards. So I'm going to do